Hey, what's going on everyone? Spark again. Just got back from the post office. I got my package here. This is a package that I get from Amazon. And in my previous video, I showed you guys how I buy products on the low and sell high. This is another opening right here. I just got in. My little guy, he's sleeping in the car. Actually, now that I'm here, there's another thing I wanted to show you guys. Right behind me is my inventory. All this is labeled by number. I have a few over here, the ones with the Amazon boxes. Those are the ones that are going to obviously Amazon. I showed you guys that in my previous video that I got this one box from Amazon with all the discounted products that I get on the low. Well, that box itself I keep for that reason being. This box here I keep for my inventory. So a customer purchases something and I need this type of box size, I keep these. I keep them right over there, right next to my Ninja Turtle dudes. Those are the guys that keep this warehouse, my garage. Those are the guys that keep this, they're the security guards. They make sure nobody comes in and does, you know, some awkward business. But yeah, this is what I do here. This is all my inventory. If you look closely, you'll see them by numbers. Actually, hold on.
Now I have these by numbers. A for air, and these are just individual numbers, and then I have them all at the bottom. B01, B02, and so on, all the way over here. Please excuse the mess. This section here, like I said, is all Amazon. Going to Amazon, those are my products that I FBA, fulfilled by Amazon. All I gotta do is just make sure that when I get them from my distributor, my supplier, they're all correct. I modify them, I bundle them, and then from here, my house, I ship them to Amazon. And then Amazon spreads them across their warehouses across the United States. I have more boxes here of inventory, supplies, more inventory. But this is what I wanted to get you guys at. This is where I label them when a customer buys a product on eBay. Pretty much all this is my eBay goods. When a customer purchases a product, for example, let me put this box away. Let's say a customer buys a potato sack, and when I look at the listing of their purchase, it's gonna say potato sack 011. Then I know it's in 011. From here, all I have to do is look at the UPC code or the ASIN number. The reason ASIN is an Amazon number, but because I purchase from Amazon and I flip it on eBay, I use Amazon's ASIN number as my inventory number. So as I purchase them from Amazon, the receipt has their ASIN. I use that ASIN along with this code right here. So then I always know that that product is in this storage bin. That's the only storage that does not have a number. I need to get through that one. But pretty much these are all categorized. They're all good to go. All right, let me just end it here because my little guy, he's sleeping. Let me go wake him up. So yeah, I have all my sections here. Moving forward here, right now I'm using this storage space for my chairs, but I have more inventory coming, so I need to get more boxes of this size here so I can start transferring them here. This right here is pretty much inventory except for this box here. These are just loose things around the house, but I am going to remove this. I need to get more shelves. By the end of the year, I want to get one more shelf here that's filled with inventory. And then I also want to start putting them here. At least 1, 2, 3. So 4 by the end of the year. 3 here and 1 more over there. It's a 2-door garage. It's pretty dirty. Excuse the mess. I'm going to leave this here for my wife's car. But I do want some big bulky shelves in this section right here because this stuff right here is just family stuff. I got Christmas ornaments, Halloween ornaments, my kids' summer toys, just things that I want to just have a more clean side of mind here at the garage because I do want to turn this garage into a warehouse. Again, this is my first year of doing this style of business. I've been doing it for 17 years in my old job, but now I got the cojones to start doing it on my own. Just doing the same thing that I learned there, I started doing it on my own. Speaking to manufacturers, speaking to suppliers who can supply me some good products at a low so I can flip it at a high.
All right, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Like I said, this has been my first year doing this. It's gonna complete actually a year in April. Do I like it? I love it. I love doing this from home, especially when I'm in my boxers, a shirt or a sweater, just chilling, eating, when my little guy's spending time with my little dude here while my older dude is at school, and just making money. Watching TV, watching cartoons with my little guy, having cereal, my phone, or even my watch alerts me that, hey, you got a sale, you got to get to it. I have no problem doing that, you know. All I got to do is just go upstairs to my office, print out the package slip, the label slip, and then find the product here in the container and just in my storage bin. Let's call it my warehouse, because this is exactly what it's going to be by the end of the year. I come in here, get the product, pack it up, and then by the end of the day, around 4:30 in the afternoon, I take my little guy, and my older one's already back home from school. We drive out to the post office and call it a day. And then it doesn't end there though. See, this is one of the drawbacks. When you work for yourself and you do this style of business, it's not a 9-to-5 job. You're pretty much doing this for life. You can wake up at 2 in the morning and take care of an order. You cannot do nothing the whole day. If you do nothing, you don't get paid or you don't grow. So it's all on you. At 5 o'clock, when the day ends, like a normal shift, like a 9-to-5, around 5 o'clock, what do? I get my kids ready to have their homeworks done. I make sure they're fed. And then when the wifey gets here, we hang out for a while, and then I just go back upstairs to the office because I got to do more listings. Package that I just showed you, that's what I'm going to do tonight. Start doing the listings so then these can sell. Always have a lot of listings to do. Night shift is my listing. Morning shift is where I pick out all the orders that were purchased at night or during the daytime, that were purchased during the daytime or evening, and then I start packing them so I can have them all ready by 4:30. So that's it, guys. That's my vida loca, my whip, my baby inside. And now it's about 3:30. I gotta go pick up my, older dude. All right, guys. I'll catch you guys later. All right, guys. So we're inside my office. This is the box that I showed you downstairs, the warehouse. This will be the box that I opened for today. I have 3 more boxes coming in. They're identical in size, most likely. If not, one is smaller than the other. But I pretty much spent about $32 this week on the inventory. Not much. Let me just show you guys what I've spent. Let me go back to my products. Orders. Okay. What's going on? This one. This one is Be Happy. It's these are note cards. Be Happy. This is it right here. How much did I pay for this? This one is going for $13.99, and I purchased this for $2.97. Now, I'm not gonna sell this for $13.99 on Amazon because that's exactly how much it's going for. What I do is I take this product to another platform, eBay, Bonanza, Poshmark. Of course, obviously Poshmark is just for clothing. But this one, I'm selling this on eBay, flipping it, not selling it for $13.99. These note cards that come with an envelope, I sell this is a set of 36 cards. 6 of each design with envelopes. This one's gonna go about $17.99, $18.99. I only bought it for $2.97. Now I got another product here. What is this? This is a USB. Let's see if I can find it. USB. This one is going for $8.99. Okay, it's not much, right? But this is what's going on $8.99 on Amazon because Amazon is a competitive platform. You gotta channel your products into other categories, into other platforms. $8.99 is what's going on Amazon. I bought this for 95 cents. I'm gonna flip this Again, I'll probably make another video showing you exactly my invoice like in my previous video on the products. But I just feel like this is much easier because now I can refresh my memory and see how much I spent on it. 95 cents for a $9 product. I'm not selling this for $9 because I'm not gonna make much with the shipping, the package cost on my package envelope that I had to put this in, the paper, the ink, all that. I'm not gonna sell this for $8.99. I'm probably gonna flip this for $13.99, maybe free shipping, but we'll see. But 95 cents, not a problem. All right, now the next one is I think 3 products in one. I don't even know what the hell this is. Expiration dates, 27. This one has an expiration date, and I bought 3 of them. Okay, 3. It's these guys right here. These are Vitamin C Serum Dark Spot Corrector for face with hyaluronic acid and vitamin E. Brightening Dark Spot Corrector. Serum by, I'm not going to say the name of the company because I'm not sponsored by them. This is going for $16.95 each, and I bought 3 of them. The total cost of $5.38 for 3 of them. This is already including tax, my sales tax. I don't have to worry about paying this at the end of quarterly for all of the products that I purchased. And now, again, I buy these products on the low. Sales tax is already included. So I don't have to pay any of these sales tax at the end of the quarter. All I gotta do is pay sales tax if a customer who lives in Pennsylvania and decides to buy my product in the state of Pennsylvania. So when I ship it to them, when they place the order and they live in Pennsylvania, their billing address is PA. Now I have to charge a sales tax, and if I don't charge them a sales tax, I have to pay the sales tax. It's not much, but yeah. So these are the products. $5.38 for the total of these 3, and they're going for $16.95. I'm not gonna sell this for $16.95 on Amazon. I'm gonna flip it for higher on eBay. This is the $8.99 product. Bought it for 95 cents. It's a USB. And then these are gold. These set of 36. These note cards, thank you cards, happy birthday cards, all those, they sell. I buy them for less than $3. I flip them for 18 bucks. Sometimes $17.99 with charging on shipping. But we'll see, depending on how the style is. It looks very nice and looks well made. Then I do the $17.99 and I add on the shipping. If it looks then I do the $17.99 with free shipping. Alright guys, that's about it. Yeah, this is my office. I got my computer, a TV to watch my Netflix, I got my printer. And this right here, this is what you need if you're starting this business. You need a scale machine, so then you can know exactly how much you want to charge your customers in shipping. And or if you think you want to charge free shipping because the product is very light, it's not going to charge you much, so you add for free shipping, people will buy it. That's exactly what I do on most of my products, because I like to buy things that are very light, that I don't have to deal with the high cost of shipping. Alright guys, I'll catch you guys later.